A diver descends slowly into the dark, freezing lake, bracing for the unknown beneath. The diver discovers an egg below the surface and taps it cautiously, sensing something alive inside. Tension spikes as the egg begins to crack, each fracture hinting at something powerful emerging. The diver lifts the egg upward, struggling through the cold depths as its weight and mystery grow. The egg suddenly expands, its shell straining and breaking as energy builds inside. In a violent burst, the egg splits apart, releasing a surge of motion and sound. A young dinosaur bursts out anxiously and immediately charges forward, running behind the diver. These shots were created entirely with AI instead of manual storyboarding. This is the smartest way to build previs, automating time-consuming work, cutting costs, and generating cinematic storyboards and animatics instantly from text prompts. Faster iteration, faster creativity, smarter filmmaking. Creating a storyboard is a tedious process, and shaping every camera angle, emotion, and action inside it makes the work even more demanding. Building a storyboard takes enormous effort, and refining the camera angles, emotional beats. Have a look at how I created these prompts without any manual storyboard drawing. I used Runway ML to explore countless iterations, testing camera angles, emotions, and actions. Letting AI figure out the visuals instantly and creatively. Let you get started. The diver is deep in the cold lake, captured from an extreme high-angle shot looking straight down, appearing tiny against the vast, icy darkness below. The diver reaches out and touches the egg with slow, suspenseful hesitation, every movement charged with uncertainty and tension. The diver presses against the ice, cracking it with mounting tension, every break vibrating through the moment with sharp uncertainty. The diver lifts the egg upward, struggling through the cold depths as its weight and mystery grow. A ground-level shot shows the pebbles shaking violently as the egg's raw physical power pulses through the earth. The egg splits violently in a sudden, explosive burst, sending a surge of fear through the moment with its shocking, scare-filled impact. The creature bursts out trembling with raw, unsettled emotion and immediately charges forward, running behind the diver with urgent, instinctive force. With Runway, changing camera angles, adjusting emotions, and refining actions becomes surprisingly effortless. What usually takes hours now happens in moments, which is exactly why I chose it. It removes the tedious work and opens creative freedom. Let's get started and explore the variations it creates. Have a look, the camera shifts to a side angle, and a slow zoom begins on the egg, showcasing the variations in motion and perspective. The emotion shifts from one variation to the next, moving from odd gravity to something magical yet subtly threatening. Here the camera opens into a wide shot of mirror still water, and in another variation, the scene transforms as thick fog swirls across the frame. In one variation, a bright white flash engulfs the frame, and the camera angle shifts to face the diver instead of the egg, creating a sharp and dramatic perspective change. In one variation, the emotion surges into an overwhelming sense of threat, while in another, it shifts sharply into pure panic. As a bonus, Runway enhances storyboarding with powerful tools like backdrop changes, weather switching, and instant time of day control, making creative effortless. This is Runway ML. The moment I uploaded the video, it prompted me to swap in a new background. It offered presets, or the option to enter my own prompt. I used the one provided by ChatGPT: narrow lakeshore path inside a rugged canyon, towering rock faces on both sides, cold wind pushing waves toward jagged stones, scattered debris across wet terrain, dramatic lighting with deep shadows and rim highlights, tense chase environment backdrop. Runway transformed it instantly, and the output turned into an outstanding cinematic shot. This is Runway ML, and one of its most impressive tools is the time of day feature. The moment I imported my video, I didn't need to write a custom prompt this time. Runway presented a set of presets designed to instantly shift the visual tone. I selected the night preset to give the footage a full nighttime atmosphere. Within seconds, the lighting, shadows, and color temperature transformed completely. The scene adopted deep blues, cool highlights, and a clean cinematic night effect. The change felt natural, seamless, and visually striking, showing how powerful Runway's automated time of day adjustments can be. This is Runway ML. Its weather feature prompted me to choose how I wanted the scene to change after uploading my video. Instead of using the presets, I entered a custom prompt: intense heavy rainfall pouring in dense vertical streaks, fast-moving droplets catching light, thick moisture adding tension, turbulent soap atmosphere. Runway applied it instantly and turned the entire shot into a dramatic rain-filled scene with a strong cinematic impact. Please subscribe for more videos.